What if I told you there's a strategy that can get you a high-paying job, make you an asset to any company, and allows you to command higher client rates, all without having to learn every single thing in digital marketing? Sounds too good to be true, right? Yep, I know. Most beginners get this wrong. They think to be a good digital marketer, they have to know a little bit about everything at every time. They become a jack of all trade and master of none. And in a world that values deep expertise, being a master of none is a one-way ticket to average pay and easily being replaced by every other person or worse, AI. So, what's the alternative? How do you become the go-to expert who companies are fighting to hire and clients are lining up to work with? That's exactly what we're covering today. I'm going to show you the power of becoming a T-shaped digital marketer. We'll be breaking down what it is, why is the ultimate key to success, and most importantly, I'm going to give you a step-by-step framework to help you choose the perfect marketing specialization for you. Are you ready? Let's get into it. What is a T-shaped marketer? Think of the letter T. The horizontal bar across the top, that's your broad knowledge. This is your general understanding of the entire digital marketing field. You know the basics of how different channels work together. You understand the core principles of marketing, things like customer personas, sales funnels, and the overall marketing lifecycle. This is crucial because it allows you to communicate with other specialists. If you're a content writer, for example, you need to understand the basics of SEO so your content actually gets found. If you're a PPC specialist, you need to understand content so you can tell the writer what type of ad copy you need. Now, the vertical stem of the T, this is your deep knowledge. This is your true level of specialization. This is the one thing you are an absolute expert in. This is where you know the advanced strategies, the latest algorithm changes, the niche tools, and how to get results that no one else can. A T-shaped marketer is someone who has the broad base of knowledge to see the big picture, but who has picked one specific lane to master and dominate. So, why is this the holy grail? Why shouldn't you just try to learn it all? Well, first, it makes you incredibly valuable. Companies are looking to solve specific problems. They don't have a general marketing problem. They have an SEO problem, or a conversion rate problem, or an email engagement problem. They will pay a premium for someone who can step in to fix that one thing. Second, it leads to faster growth and higher pay. Specialists can charge more and get promoted faster. The demand for deep expertise in specific areas far outstrips the supply. Third, it is a stronger career foundation. By mastering one area, you build a core skill that is always in demand. From that position of strength, you can always expand your skills into other areas over time if you choose. It is much easier to become a world-class SEO expert first, and then learn some basics of every other aspect of marketing than it is to become a mediocre marketer in 5 different things at once. Okay, so you're sold on the T-shaped model. The big question now is, how do you pick your one deep skill? You don't want to just pick something randomly. You want a specialization that is a perfect mix of these 3 things. It is called the SPE Formula. Think of 3 overlapping circles. The first circle is your existing skill and natural inclinations. What do you like doing? Are you creative or analytical? Do you love writing and telling stories? Or you are a data nerd who loves analyzing numbers and finding patterns? If you enjoy solving puzzles and getting into technical details, you might be a natural at SEO or analytics. If you're a natural connector and enjoy building relationships, maybe social media or influencer marketing is for you. Just be honest at what truly clicks with you. The second circle is passion and enjoyment. Don't pick a specialization just because you think, that's where the money is. If you hate what you do, you will burn out and you will never truly be great at it. You need to enjoy the day-to-day work of your chosen path. If you dread the thought of writing 10 blog posts a week, don't pick content marketing as your specialization. Even if you're good at it, you have to love the process. And finally, the third circle is the economic reality. You need to make sure there's a market demand for the specialization you choose. Look at current trends and job boards. What job titles are companies hiring for? What specialization appears most often in job descriptions? Areas like performance marketing, technical SEO, analytics, and CRM or email marketing are consistently in high demand and pay very well. Your sweet spot or your ideal specialization is where these three circles overlap. It's something you have a natural skill for, something you genuinely enjoy, and something that the market is willing to pay a premium for. So, what should your action plan look like? Don't rush into picking a specialization on day one. Spend your first 6 months to a year being a generalist. Learn the basics of everything. SEO, PPC, content, social media, analytics, content, all of that. Get your hands dirty. Pay attention to your preference as you dabble in the different areas. Which of them do you enjoy doing? Which of the tasks are you naturally drawn to? Where do you find yourself wanting to learn more about? You need to start finding the intersection. Use the SPE formula. Which of these areas is at the sweet spot or at the center of the intersection? Pick that one and go deep into it. Commit the next 6 to 12 months focusing on that one thing. Get certifications. I have a video about free certifications you can get. Work on personal projects. Take on freelance clients just to become the absolute best at that particular path you've chosen. Remember, the future of digital marketing isn't about knowing everything. It's about knowing one thing better than anyone else. Being a T-shaped marketer is the smartest, fastest, and most profitable way to build a successful career. Now, tell me, what area are you leaning towards? You can drop a comment. Tell me what it is. Is it SEO, PPC, content, analytics, or something entirely different? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and of course I can even gist you how I went about picking mine. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Okay, bye.